Hello everyone, welcome back to the Flutist Programmer, where code and music meet creativity. Today, I'm gonna share with you my 5 top free tools every beginner coder should use in order to make their learning experience easier, faster, and more fun. The tool number 1 is a code editor. Every developer needs a place to write code. My recommendation is Visual Studio Code because it's free, easy, and full of useful extensions. Tool number 2 is a version control system. In this case, we have Git and Github. Git could be intimidated at the beginning, but it's necessary. GitHub allows you to store code online and share with others, and at the same time collaborate with other developers. It's like the way professionals do on the tech industry. Tool number 3 is a browser Devtools. In this case, we have Google Chrome Devtools, which is a native functionality that is inside of the browser itself. It allows you to inspect websites, debug, and also experiment with the structure on real time. Tool number 4 is a learning platform. In this case, we have the website of FreeCodeCamp. The website of FreeCodeCamp offers free resources about coding exercises, as well as how you can build beautiful projects step by step. Tool number 5 are sandbox environments. In this case, we have Replit and Codepen. These are websites that allow you to share your code and also test it instantly. You don't need to set up anything on the computer, and also they are really good for experimenting and showing off your skills to others. And there you go, guys. Those are the 5 free tools every beginner coder should use when they are starting their coding journey. And just to recap, we have Visual Studio Code, Git and GitHub, Google Chrome Devtools, FreeCodeCamp, Codepen, and Replit. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to make a post on the comment section. See you on the next one.